guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie here, and in today's video I'm going to share a few very easy and simple hairstyles which I make on a regular basis. Whether it's a western outfit or an Indian outfit, these are all my go-to hairstyles. Like whether I'm going to my office or I'm going to meet somebody, to a restaurant or to their home, I swear by these hairstyles. They are super easy to make and I'm mostly on the go, so I really find these hairstyles very easy to make. And also because I'm someone who is always like concentrating on the outfit and the accessories, so I just try to make kind of those hairstyles which should complement my overall look and just uplift it. I know that there are so many amazing hairstyles already there on Pinterest and on YouTube. Like there's so many tutorials on YouTube as well, but for some reason I just find them so difficult, literally so hard to try on myself, because my hair is a lot silky, and that's why I think अपने आप से वो सारी hair styles बनाना is very difficult for me. So whenever there's like an important wedding, like a close wedding or an important occasion, I usually get ready at the salon and then I fulfill all the wishes of getting all those amazing hairstyles made by the hairstylist. But अपने आप से तो मैं इसी तरह की like कुछ easy hairstyles ही manage कर पाती हूँ. I'm sure that you may have seen a few of these hairstyles already on different social media platforms. So I wanted to not just show you the hairstyles, but at the same time wanted to share a few tips which I keep in mind while complementing a particular hairstyle with a particular kind of an outfit, so that my entire look gets uplifted and it all looks well complemented. Because I feel that if you're wearing like the best outfit and the best accessories but your hairstyle is not so good, then I think your entire look will fall flat. That is the impact your hair has on your entire look. So yeah, it's really important to have a well complemented hairstyle with your entire outfit so that you look amazing and well put together. So yeah, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा. Please don't forget to like this video and also share it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. And yeah, now let's get started with the video. Hey guys, so let's start with the video and different kind of hairstyles that I'm going to show you, which I make on regular basis. But before that, I thought of showing you different kind of combs which I usually use to make my hair. These are quite a bunch of them. I use a wider teeth comb to detangle my hair. I think it's so much easier to detangle your hair with these kind of combs. Then I have a regular comb which has both teeth, wider and narrow. Then I have a hairbrush. This I usually use to make my hair, not detangle them. Once I've detangled my hair, I use this brush to make the hair. And then I have these two narrow teeth combs. These very much help me to make a puff or a nice side parting, especially when I'm working like on the crown section of my head. Then I have these tic tac pins. I use tic tac pins instead of bobby pins, and I have this sort of a rubber band to make a ponytail or any kind of hairstyle, like if I have to tie my hair. So whenever I'm making my hair, especially if I'm making like a ponytail or a bun, which I make on most days, I don't back comb like the way I'm doing right now. I'm just showing you to explain as to why I don't do this, because when I'm back combing and then forming a ponytail, my hair is getting stretched directly from the front part of the scalp, and it also shows lesser volume here. It shows my hair are scattered. Or even if I'm making a bun and forming like this sort of a twist and forming the bun, I think it really stretches my hair. I think it makes them feel so tight and pulled. So this is something I can genuinely recommend for all those people who have lesser volume on the front part of the scalp. You need to avoid this. Instead, what you can do is you can use like a narrow teeth comb to form like a nice puff. I think it gives a nice hold and grip, and also adds so much volume on that part of the scalp where you have lesser hair. What I usually do is like I twist my hair as I'm showing you in the video, and then I give this puff a nice grip with the help of tic tac pins. So I usually use tic tac pins instead of bobby pins, although bobby pins really give a nice hold to the puff, but it leads to a lot of breakage when you're taking them off. So I find tic tac pins much more convenient, and in case I want to give my puff a nice hold or grip, I can just move my fingers like so, and I think it adds more volume. Or if you want to give it a neat and not so messy look, then you can just back comb with a narrow teeth comb. It will not look so scattered and look very neat and prim and proper. Now another way to make a nice voluminous puff is to take a few sections of your hair and start back combing them. This is basically teasing your hair so that it adds more volume, and you need to tease them in the opposite direction to where it starts growing. Well, I know that people sometimes use gel or sprays, to add more volume to their hair and to set them. पर मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि उनसे बाल थोड़े hard हो जाते हैं, and I usually avoid any sort of extra chemicals on my hair. That's a personal choice. You can see how much of a volume that back combing and teasing has given to my hair. So now I can use my fingers and then make a nice puff. And this is like my usual go-to hairstyle whenever I'm going to the office and whenever I'm on the go. I want my hair to look voluminous from the crown section of the head. This is how I usually do it. As I said, I am giving it a nice hold with 3 tic tac pins so that my hair gets lifted, and I'm just making a regular ponytail. Now my ponytail will not cause a lot of breakage of the hair, and also because I've given a nice lift to my hair because of the puff, so my hair will not pull a lot at the back and it will not feel very tight when I'm making the ponytail. Now in case you have baby hair which is bothering you, what you can do is you can take a spoolie and tame the frizz of those baby hair like I'm doing right now in the video. What I've done is I've taken the spoolie from my eyebrow palette. I think it just adds more neatness to your look, especially as I said, I usually make this hairstyle to my office, so I want to look more neat and prim and proper. Now once I'm back from office, I just take off the rubber band and I gather all of my hair and form a twist, and I then make a bun. This is my most go-to hairstyle, especially when I'm at home or I'm just going out for regular grocery shopping or something like that. I just feel that forming a bun with the help of a puff, I think just lifts my hair and it makes it look more voluminous, and it also doesn't lead to a lot of breakage because like the puff really gives a nice hold, and also it does not make my hair feel too tight or it does not pull them a lot. Okay, moving on. Now the most common way I keep my hair is by forming a side parting. जब भी मुझे जल्दी होती है, like whenever I'm in a hurry, what I do is I just keep my hair open and I just leave them as it is by forming a side parting. But if I have just a few extra minutes on hand, what I do is I make a side puff. I think side puff looks so much better on my face and my face cut instead of the regular front puff. So what I do is I just take a few section of my hair and then I comb it, and what I do is I just tease them a little, और ये जो back combing करती हूँ मैं उससे थोड़ा volume add हो जाता है. Then I just twist them and I secure them with a tic tac pin. I usually use like 2 tic tac pins to secure the puff so that it does not leave its place and it looks intact. Now the next hairstyle I am making on the other side of the parting, जिसमें मैं एक एक section लेती जा रही हूँ अपने बालों का. I have started from the side parting and I will continue to do it till I reach the hair which is closest to my ears. So I am adding more and more sections to the already taken section and twisting each time I do so. And then what I will do is I just will lift it a little and then secure it with the use of a tic tac pin. Alright, for my next hairstyle, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna form a deep side parting and मैं अपने सारे बालों को एक साइड गैदर कर रही हूँ और फिर थोड़े से स्ट्रैंड्स लेके उनको बैक कोम करके अच्छे से टीज करके ट्विस्ट करूँगी और फिर उनको अच्छा होल्ड दूंगी विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ टिक टैक पेन. आई विल कंटिन्यू टू डू सो टिल आई रीच द लोअर एंड ऑफ माई हेड सो दैट जितने भी मेरे बाल एक्स्ट्रा लूज हैं वो सब अच्छे से सिक्योर हो जाएं. अगेन आई विल ट्विस्ट देम एंड देन सिक्योर विथ टिक टैक पिन. इस तरह से क्या होगा कि मुझे बार बार अपने बालों को फिंगर्स से आगे लाने की नीड नहीं होगी. इट विल नॉट बॉदर मी वेन एवर आई एम गोइंग आउट और अपने आप वो एक ही जगह पे रहेंगे. इट विल बी in its place and not move at all. Now if you have certain baby hair coming out, then again you can use a spoolie to tame the frizz of those baby hair. एंड या आई थिंक आपकी जो ये डीप साइड पार्टिंग है वो ये कुछ इस तरह से लगेगी पीछे से. एंड मुझे लगता है कि ये जो इस तरह का लुक होता है वो बहुत अप्रोप्रिएट लगता है इन केस यू वांट टू शो ऑफ योर ईयर रिंग्स एंड योर एक्सेसरीज. ऑल्सो इफ यू आर वेयरिंग समथिंग ऑफ शोल्डर देन यू कैन हाईलाइट योर कॉलर बोन एंड आई थिंक इट लुक्स रियली अमेजिंग, स्पेशली विथ इंडियन वेयर एंड या विथ साड़ीज स्पेसिफिकली. So for my next hairstyle, I am forming only a slight side parting and what I will do is एक side parting से मैं अपने बालों को कुछ कुछ sections में लेती जाऊंगी और उन section को लेकर के अच्छे से twist करूंगी till the end and then I will take the twisted section to the back and secure it with a tic tac pin. Similarly, I will take another section of hair, again grab it, twist it till the end and then pin it at the back. Now I will do it one more time by taking that section of the hair which is closest to my ears, again grab it, twist it till the end and then take it to the back and pin it. If you want, you can form this sort of design pattern with more sections, but I wanted more space between each design and pattern, so I have taken only 3 sections and twisted them in this way. ओके, नेक्स्ट हेयर स्टाइल इज़ ऑल्सो बी डन विथ साइड पार्टेड हेयर. मैंने थोड़े से सेक्शन लिए अपने बालों के और फिर उस सेक्शन में मैं और सेक्शंस अपने बालों के ऐड करती जाऊंगी एंड ईच टाइम आई विल डू इट, आई विल ट्विस्ट माई हेयर. इस तरह से करते करते आई विल कम टू द लास्ट सेक्शन विच इज़ द क्लोजेस्ट टू माई ईयर्स. So this is somewhat similar sort of design pattern that you should have formed. इस तरह से अपने बालों को एक एक सेक्शन को लेके ट्विस्ट करते हुए. इफ़ यू वांट आप थोड़े से सेक्शंस को पुल भी कर सकते हो ताकि वो बहुत ही अच्छा लिफ्टेड लुक लगे और वॉल्यूमिनस भी लगे. Now in case you feel like you can leave your hairstyle like this only, आप दूसरी जो साइड है आपके बालों की उनको ओपन एंड फ्लोइंग ही रख सकते हो. बट इफ़ यू वांट, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ यू कैन रिपीट द सिमिलर स्टेप्स टू द अदर साइड ऑफ योर हेयर. जस्ट टेक अ फ्यू सेक्शन एंड कीप ऑन एडिंग मोर सेक्शंस एंड ईच टाइम यू डू इट जस्ट ट्विस्ट योर हेयर एंड इस तरह से करते हुए उस सेक्शन पे आ जाओ जो आपके ईयर्स के सबसे क्लोज है और वहाँ पे उनको अच्छे से लिफ्ट करके सिक्योर करो आप टिक टैक पिन्स के साथ में. दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ अ हेयर स्टाइल लुक्स रियली सो सोबर एंड एलिगेंट. आपका पूरा का पूरा लुक बहुत सोफेस्टिकेटेड लगता है, स्पेशली अगर आप इस तरह की हेयर स्टाइल को किसी इंडियन वेयर के साथ में बनाओ. I like my hair to be natural and that's why I don't use any heating equipments in order to curl them. I just like them to be straight and always be simple whenever I'm on the go. But in case you want to be more decked up, then what you can do is you can just curl the bottom hair and that will just give it a more party appropriate feel. For my next hairstyle, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna form a mid parting, and this is usually what I do whenever I'm on the go. Just like the side parting, I often make a mid parting and I leave my hair as it is. I think it makes my hair look so voluminous because I have good volume at the bottom side. But in case I have a few more minutes on my hand, then what I do is I just take a few sections from each side of the hair, I twist it and take it to the back, and I pin it using Tic Tac pins. So this sort of hairstyle is really easy to do, and it does not take much of your time. I think it looks really chic, so feminine, and also it adds so much decency to your entire look and appeal. मैं usually इस तरह की hairstyle एक इंडो वेस्टर्न आउटफिट के साथ में बनाती हूँ, जैसे कि आप राइट साइड वाली पिक्चर में देख सकते हो. Alright, so the next hairstyle is a side low bun, for which I will make a side puff, and I will lift my puff a little to add more volume and secure it with Tic Tac pins. Now you need to gather rest of your hair, bring them all on one side, and then start to twist them till the end, and then form a nice bun. अगर आपके मेरे तरह से लेयर हेयर कट है तो जो एक्स्ट्रा हेयर बाहर आ रहे हैं आप उनको इस तरह की जो बन वाली पिन्स होती है उनसे सिक्योर कर सकते हो. एंड या आई थिंक दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ अ साइड लो बन looks really fresh and so youthful. What you can also do is you can pull a few section of your hair, take out a few flicks, and I think it will look really nice on you. बहुत ही young feel देगा, और I think side low bun looks really amazing, much better than a normal bun. For my next hairstyle, I have done a mid parting and I'm grabbing these front flicks of my hair. उनको थोड़ा सा पिन करके मैं अपने बाकी के बालों को बनाने वाली हूँ. What I've done is basically थोड़ा सा कोम्ब करके अपने बालों को एक पोनी के फॉर्म में मैंने ग्रैब कर लिया और अनपिन कर रही हूँ अपनी फ्रंट फ्लिक्स को. एंड नाउ आई एम फॉर्मिंग अ पोनी टेल विथ अ रबर बैंड. अगर आपके बाल इस तरह से मेस्ड अप लग रहे हैं और थोड़े स्कैटर्ड लग रहे हैं तो आप एक कोम्ब यूज़ कर सकते हो, लाइक अ नैरो टीथ कोम्ब. उनको अच्छे से बैक कोम्ब करके आप एक नीटर लुक दे सकते हो. एंड येस, आई थिंक दीज फ्रंट फ्लिक्स जस्ट एड सो मच ऑफ फ्रेश फील टू योर एंटायर लुक. अगर आपके कुछ एक्स्ट्रा हेयर आ रहे हैं फ्रॉम ईच साइड ऑफ द पार्टिंग, देन व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ उनको थोड़ा सा आप अच्छे से पीछे की तरफ पिन कर सकते हो विथ Tic Tac pins and just let those two front flicks show. Okay, this last hairstyle is typically my most common hairstyle, which I usually make whenever I'm wearing like a casual t-shirt or just going out for a day look. Okay, तो मैं क्या करती हूँ अपने सारे बालों को grabbing them from the crown section of my head, I just start to twist them till the end and then form a bun. और इस bun को जो है मैं अच्छे से secure करती हूँ with the help of Tic Tac pins, ताकि जो भी extra hair उस bun में से बाहर निकल रहे हैं वो बहुत अच्छे से सेट हो जाएं, एंड इट डज नॉट बॉदर मी इन केस इवन इफ आई एम रनिंग और जंपिंग और जस्ट enjoying myself. And then I just take the remaining section of my hair, I keep it on the front, and this is a very nice top knot bun which I form. So these were all the hairstyles which I usually make. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like it and share it and also subscribe to my channel. मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये सारी hairstyles आपको बहुत ही अच्छी लगी हों और ये बहुत ही easy to do थी. I will see you all very soon next time. Until then, take care. Lots of love. Bye.